Kasorkar jela kalarai ban kynthuplang iaki niam haka jingiakhun thma persha ya drok hajella. Yakani karai la shim haka jelang kabala khat da umentri badai khmi yakatanat social welfare upol lingdo haringkat ki kynhun niam bapher ha secretariat haka khat santrik jellio. Habakran bat kinong tho khubor upoling do ulaong bakila yo ya ki jingai jingmut bat kilaya tai sani bha na kabenta banyakhun persya ya ka thma drok ha ka imlang ka salang ha ka jilla baro kawe.
As I said, we have identified hotspot districts. We will concentrate on those, but at the same time, we will be allotting funds to all the districts, and NGOs, faith organizations, and other such entities with credible credentials can also come forward. But at this stage, we have first approached faith organizations because they have the infrastructure, they have their churches, they have their schools. So based on that consideration, we have asked them to come up with proposals so that the pilot project can take off immediately. We have a system in place. We have a mission director. We are going to appoint a mission director, and then we also have these development associates drawn from the planning department. All expenditure incurred we will ensure that it is transparent.